Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part number 240351061. The Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part number 240351061 is a replacement crisper drawer for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is made of clear plastic and has two compartments for storing fruits and vegetables. The crisper drawer has adjustable humidity control to help keep produce fresh longer. It also features a removable divider to separate items, as well as a built-in handle for easy access. The PAN-CRISPER is designed to fit all Frigidaire refrigerator models and is easy to install. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement crisper pan for a refrigerator. It can be used to replace a broken or cracked crisper pan, or to upgrade an existing one. It will help keep fruits and vegetables fresh and organized in the refrigerator. Here is how you install this part. 1. Remove the old crisper drawer from the refrigerator. 2. Unpack the new Frigidaire PAN-CRISPER part number 240351061 and check for any damage. 3. Place the new crisper drawer in the refrigerator and make sure it fits properly. 4. Secure the drawer with the screws provided in the package. 5. Replace any other parts that may have been removed during installation, such as shelves or drawers, and make sure they are securely fastened in place. 6. Close the refrigerator door and test to make sure everything is working properly before use. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.